Most easy and best video editor for beginners.
What's your name?
I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Video going to be very interesting. Make sure till then. It's the one of the best and most easy to use video editor called FlexClip. You can edit your videos. We have a lot of pre-made templates and a lot of AI tools as well. In addition of the new updates, this is available on the web online. We have not any software or the app. You can run on your web browser called Chrome. Other browsers not supported at the moment, only Chrome working on this FlexClip video editor. We have a lot of AI tools and I'm really curious to try AI text to video. So let's try this one. We have this type of interface. First of all, we have to type text or the script what we want in the video or what is in the video. And then we have two different models, AI creation or AI excerpt. And then everything is automatic. You have to choose the subtitle style and click on generate. Everything is automatic. We have also a text to speech, mean text to speech synthesis. Also really useful. We have no need to do any audio or video. We have just need an idea. FlexClip can do each and everything. Sit and see the magic of FlexClip, what's happening in the background, and show you in few seconds. By the way, new to my channel, make sure consider subscribe to appreciate. We have very good video subtitles available. Also the background musics as well as the AI text to speech synthesis from the FlexClip. Create stunning videos in no time. We have just need script and everything done in few seconds. Literally, I like the AI tools available on the FlexClip. Other than that, the video editing also available on the FlexClip, which is really useful for beginners. On the home screen, when we come the first time, we have to choose the aspect ratio. No custom option available at the moment. Let's explore other AI tools as well. We have a lot of other AI tools also available. But now comes back to the video editor and explore what we can get in this video editor. The stock media called images or the videos, and then also the cloud storage available for multiple members in the team for yours. And then we have, you can see here, a lot of huge media available, which is really useful for creating unique videos as well as for work purpose or whatever. We have really good quality overlays and materials available, overlay materials, and then here is some effects and animations also available. Overlay materials, as you can see here, really useful. When it comes to the video editing features, it's not outstanding, but still again it's really handy and really easy to use for beginners. But something which one I really like, AI tools in the FlexClip, which is also really useful for professionals as well. A lot of videos available on my channel regarding a photo enhancer, video editing available on my channel. Make sure to check it out to level up your creativity and creation of your videos. This is the video for today. I hope you really like it. Still any type of question, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon in next video.